Hello all, welcome. I'm Apurva. In this video, I'll walk you through the complete step-by-step process to register your newborn's birth as an Indian citizen and also apply for their first passport in Berlin, all through Alankit Global. Here's a quick overview. First, you'll complete the birth registration under Section 4 of the Citizenship Act to record your child as an Indian citizen by descent. Then, you'll apply for your baby's first Indian passport, and both these steps are handled conveniently at Alankit ICAC Berlin. Before you begin, make sure to have all these documents ready, as there would be separate waiting times for these. First is the birth certificate of the baby, original in German or the international birth certificate. Meldebescheinigung, which you can get it in any Bürgeramt after 1 week of the birth certificate, and it is available for free. The passports of parents, original passports, and also the resident permits of both the parents. At first, you have to sign into Alankit Germany website and actually book an appointment for both the birth registration as well as for the passport. But before booking the appointment, you need to gather these essential documents. First is the baby's photo. Just make sure that the measurement, the size of the photo is exactly as is mentioned in Alankit's website. And to get this, you will have to click your newborn photo on a white background or a mat at home and use makepassportphoto.com to resize your photo and choose the 6x4 inch layout for the paper size. And you can actually take this the print of the photo and then print it at any of the DM stores. So just make sure you have all the other documents listed here and you're good to go. Next, visit indiancitizenshiponline.nic.in and select registration of birth of a minor child under Section 4, subsection 1. Fill out the form very carefully, exactly matching details in both the parents' passports. Upload the photos, signatures and PDF documents under 1 megabyte and only print the form once everything has been uploaded successfully. For uploading the parent's signature, preferably use any online website to merge both the parents' signature into one file and then upload it. You also need to upload a photo of the newborn as per the size given in the Alankit's website. Once you submit the application by filling in all the details, you will receive a MHA file number. You can use that and go to the particular application that you have just submitted, click on the hamburger menu and select document upload. Enter the application ID or the MHA file number, the date of birth of your newborn, your email ID that you have used for sign in and the CAPTCHA, and upload all the documents like the passport and the parent's signature. Next step is to apply for your baby's passport. Go to germany.alankitglobal.com and select fresh passport to newborn child and book an appointment. Meanwhile, sign up on mportal.passportindia.gov.in and fill in the form for the passport. Upload all the documents, print your final form and application receipt, and then finally you can submit it at Alankit Berlin. Even for the passport application, you would also have to upload the documents like some of the annexures C, D, etc. and also the birth certificate, parent's passport and the photo of the newborn child, signature or in this case the thumbprint of the newborn child. So to upload all of these things, basically click on the application that you have just submitted. Again, go to the hamburger menu and then you will see a screen something like what is shown here, and you can upload all these supporting documents by selecting the relevant category and also the subcategory, and then choosing the file from your computer. Before you submit both the applications, double check that everything is complete. For birth registration, the baby's passport photo, the parent's signature must appear on the form. For the passport application, include the baby's photo and thumb impression. And thumbprints can be a bit tricky with newborns, so please plan ahead. Do some trials on some other white sheets, or maybe usually try the second print after the ink pad press, and that would be the right one based on our experience. And also try to avoid a last minute rush for the thumbprint. Here is a final checklist of all the documents and things to be carried to the Alankit appointment at Berlin, and make sure you take a screenshot of this and have everything ready. This is the address for the Alankit Berlin office, and make sure that both the parents are attending in person along with your newborn, and carry all the originals like your passports and residence permits along with you, along with the other documents that was previously mentioned. Make sure to book back-to-back appointments on the same day at Alankit. First for the birth registration, which is basically a consular service, and other for passport application, which is basically a passport service. So since these two are two separate services, they expect that you have to have two appointments on the same day. And also there is a DM store right opposite the Alankit office inside the mall on the ground floor. So it is easy for printing photos or other documents, and also since you'll be traveling with your newborn, for a quick diaper change and a feeding break. So that is a good thing. And waiting times can be a bit long, especially if your documents are not ready, or if you have to bring something additional document along with you. So make sure that you have some light snacks or finger food from home, or you can also do a takeaway. And also note that the washroom, the WC, is only available on the ground floor of the Alankit building, and it is not available on the 10th floor. After all the documents are submitted, before leaving, just verify that your data and documents are correct, and track your application through the Alankit portal. They will also give you a QR code, a kind of a receipt, and you can use the receipt to actually track the application for your passport as well as the birth registration. And you can collect the passport in person or choose courier delivery later on. So that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide helps you and makes the whole process smoother and stress-free. Wishing you and your little one all the best. And this video is purely based on my personal experience, and it is not part of any promotion or any paid ads. Thank you.